Today in this video, we are going to show you how you can fix iPhone X rear camera not working. When you open the back camera, you can see a blank screen on 1x mode. But after you switch to 2x mode, the camera works. In my cases, the front camera is working properly. Let's check among both of them camera. Lower side is working. Means the telephoto lens is okay. But the wide angle lens side has a problem. In that cases, portrait mode is also not working. We have a problem with the upper side camera on both of them. So many possible reasons for that issues. Camera related faults. In that cases, the fault was solved after the camera module was changed. Second, circuit related faults. In that cases, there is a problem with tracks or PCB related issues, broken pads, circuit broken, loose contact, etc. Long screw damage. You have to place the proper screw always, otherwise that causes the internal tracks to break. Power of iPhone. Remove battery first. Remove all flakes carefully. Let's observe the PCB status. There is a prior repair sign. The metal cover is removed. Let's check the tracks. All pin looks normal. Check on by on. The value must be the same that shows on the image. Finally found this pin is missing in my cases. Let's check another pin that seems to be normal. That pin that connected to camera through coil to camera regulator IC. The track is missing, so we are going to jumper it. In the case of the coil, by looking at the place, you can jump like that. I put it all back to the previous condition. Now the circuit looks complete. Let's have a look. The problem was fixed or not. Finally, the problem was fixed. On the both 1x mode and 2x mode, the camera works perfect. It also works on portrait mode too. Hope this will help you. If you are able to fix your issues with the help of this video, don't forget to drop a comment below and write how you solve your issues too. Feel free to ask if you got any problems. We are an Apple repair expert and will be surely helpful. Stay with us by subscribing. Like to say your love towards our videos. Press the bell for the latest video notification. Love from our side, this GSM solution. Peace out till the next time.